Hello students, today we are going to start the remaining part of this practice set 4.1. Last lecture we have seen question 5. उसमें question 4 छोड़ दिया था. Word problem we will take today. So we will see the example. You open the textbook, students. You read the textbook. I am reading the question. The three persons can build a small house in 8 days. To build the same house in 6 days, how many persons are required? So read the question carefully. You have to understand what type of proportion exists in this example. Person can, which two quantities are there? Persons and days. Number of persons and days required to complete the work. 3 persons can build a small house 8 days. 3 persons 8 days. To build the same house in 6 days, how many persons are required? 6 days. To build the same house in 6 days, how many persons are required? So जो find करना है यहाँ पे can assume x. Okay. So the two quantities are there, persons and number of days required. Always ratio exists between two quantities. So what type of proportion is there exists, we have to first study. If the number of person increases, days required will be reduced. If days required reduce होगा तो obviously number of persons क्या होगा, बढ़ेगा ना. अगर ज़्यादा वर्कर्स काम करते हैं तो काम दिन में काम पूरा होता है. So in this way, if one quantity increases, other quantity decreases, it means it is a type of inverse variation example. So if the example is of inverse variation, what is constant there? Though we know that we have seen yesterday, if inverse proportion is there, the product of two quantities remains constant. So first you have to mention here that it is a inverse variation, inverse proportion. So inverse proportion में 3 into 8 is equal to x into 6. The product of two quantities remain constant. Therefore x find करना है, x is equal to 3 into 8 ऐसा ही रहेगा, into का upon 6 आएगा, है ना. The number x is changing the side. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. Therefore we get x is equal to 4. So what is x here? X is number of persons. देखो यहाँ पे 4 आ गया. It means if the days are reduced, the number of persons are increased. So we have to same find how many persons are required. Therefore 4 persons are required to complete the work. Last में sentence लिखना है पूरा आंसर, जो क्वेश्चन का लास्ट सेंटेंस है. In that form you write the answer. So I will make make parts of this board. You have to understand. Okay, this is question 4. Got it? थोड़ा मैंने बीच में स्टेप स्किप किया है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट. नाउ क्वेश्चन 6 यू विल टेक नाउ. 6 7 8 में लेना है हमें. क्वेश्चन 6 I will read the question. The ratio of ages of Abha and her mother is 2:5. At the time of Abha's birth, her mother's age was 27 years. Find the present ages of Abha and her mother. So for word problems, you need to read the question carefully. So here ratio is given 2:5. 2:5 ratio किसका ये? अभा एंड हर मदर. तो ऑब्वियसली अभा मतलब उनकी बेटी, अमर मदर बड़ी. तो ये ऑब्वियसली नंबर छोटा ये अभा का होगा और ये उसके मदर का होगा. अभा इज टू मदर. इनका रेशियो ऑफ प्रेजेंट एजेस इज गिवन. सो एट द टाइम ऑफ अभाज मदर, at the time of Abha's birth, her mother's age was 27 years. Find the present ages of Abha and her mother. So question is given in the form of ratio and the condition is given कि अभास के बर्थ के टाइम उसके मदर का एज है 27 years. So first we will separate the ratio. Whenever we have to find the numbers separately, अभा का एज क्या है, मदर का, so उनका कंबाइन जो रेशियो दिया है we will separate. रेशियो कैन बी सेपरेटेड बाय कॉमन मल्टीपल. दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो k से या x से, सेपरेट होगा. तो अभा का क्या होगा? 2x होगा और मदर का 5x होगा. तो सेपरेट करने के बाद रेशियो साइन विल बी रिमूव्ड. तो अभा का प्रेजेंट एज है 2x और मदर का प्रेजेंट एज है 5x. सो व्हाट कंडीशन इज गिवन हियर? एट द टाइम ऑफ अभास बर्थ, मदर का एज अभी प्रेजेंट एज 5 है, 5x, तो अभास के बर्थ के टाइम क्या होगा? मदर का एज 5x माइनस 2x। अभी जो भी एज की अभा है वो पूरा एज इसमें से माइनस होगा, दैट इज द, दिस इज द अभास मदर्स एज at the time of birth of Abha, her mother's age, it means 5x minus 2x is equal to 27 years। ये आपको कंडीशन पुट करते आना चाहिए। मदर्स एज माइनस अभा एज इज इक्वल टू 27। मदर के अभा के बर्थ के टाइम मदर का एज मीन्स मदर का जो भी प्रेजेंट एज है माइनस अभा का एज, तो बर्थ के टाइम का जो एज है वो दिया है 27। गॉट इट? ये कंडीशन अगर आ गई आपको पुट करना तो इट इज वेरी सिंपल। नाउ 5 माइनस 2 इज 3x इज इक्वल टू 27 एंड देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू 27 इंटू का अपॉन 3 होगा, तो 3 1s and 3 9s 27। It means we got the answer x is equal to 9. What is 9 here? X is equal to 9. X is the common multiple. So what is the answer question? Find the present ages of Abha and mother. तो ये दोनों के present ages हैं। Therefore we can write the answer present age of Abha is equal to 2x है, तो 2 into x means 9 is equal to 18 years and that of her mother's age is equal to 5 into x means 5 into 9 is equal to 45 years। Got it? So you can verify the example। देखो, at the time of Abha's birth mother's age is 27। आता है क्या? देखो अभा का जो भी है एज प्रेजेंट एज से माइनस करो, 45 माइनस 18 अगर करते हो तो विल गेट 27, है ना। At the time of Abha's birth mother's age will be 27। It means condition is verified, we are in the right path। So this is the example, we could find the age of present age of mother and the daughter Abha। Now next question is question number 7। Just wait। Question 7 is like this। First read the question, I will rub the board। So these word problems need to read the carefully, what is given, what to find, accordingly we can assume and apply the condition। So and we have to find the relation of ratio between the quantities। Now 7th example is over, 7th example is going। Present ages of Vatsala and Sara। देखो वत्सला एंड सारा, उनका रेशो नहीं दिया है, उनका एक्चुअल प्रेजेंट एजेस दिया है 14 and 10 years। After how many years the ratio of their ages will become 5:4। रेशो दिया नहीं है पहले, अभी रेशो पुट करना पड़ेगा बाय कंडीशन। आफ्टर हाउ मेनी ईयर्स, तो हाउ मेनी ईयर्स वी डोंट नो, तो वी कैन टेक x ईयर्स। आफ्टर x ईयर, आफ्टर x ईयर्स क्या होगा? वत्सला का एज क्या होगा? 14 प्लस x होगा और सारा का होगा 10 प्लस x, है ना। आफ्टर 5 ईयर्स होगा, 5 ईयर्स वत्सला का एज क्या होगा? 14 प्लस 5, इसका 10 प्लस 5, so we don't know after how many years, we have added here x। So now the condition we can apply for these ages, after x years their age will become 5:4। therefore by condition जो भी example में दिया है we have to apply for making the equation। therefore 14 plus x रेशो लेना है is upon 10 plus x, this ratio after how many years the ratio of their ages will become 5:4। 5:4 means 5/4। जैसे उन्होंने पहला रेशो दिया है ना, पहले नंबर रिस्पेक्टिवली, वैसे हमें रेशो लेना है वत्सला सारा रिस्पेक्टिवली, तो उसका एजेस का रेशो भी रिस्पेक्टिवली मीन्स फर्स्ट नंबर कम्स फर्स्ट, सेकेंड नंबर सेकेंड। So after x years means by adding x, the whatever ages we get, the ratio of these ages is equal to 5:4। So what will be their present ages? We have to find out present age after how many years, मतलब we have how many years x find करना है। Now how to solve this? Such type of examples you have solved in standard 8। Just cross multiply, what we get? 10 into 5, first we will take 10 plus x into 5 इंटू लिख सकते हैं नहीं, फिर 14 प्लस एक्स इंटू 4। तो 10 से 5 से ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, 5 10 50 प्लस 5 इंटू एक्स इज 5x इज इक्वल टू 14 4 52 56 सॉरी 56 प्लस 4x। Therefore 5x minus 4x is equal to 56 minus 50. So we get here 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 cannot be done. X is equal to 6. Therefore this is our answer. After how many years? So we can write here after 6 years the ratio of their wages will become 5:4. You can cross check also students, put value of x here and whatever new numbers you get, take the ratio of that numbers, you must get this ratio 5:4. Clear? So this is example number 7. In this way we can use the properties of ratios to find the actual information of the given numbers. Now next example, last of this practice at 4.1. The ratio of present ages of Rehana and her mother is 2:7. Rehana and her mother. I will write this remaining part. You will write on later on. Rehana and mother. So two names. Always ratio exists between two quantities. So which two quantities are there? First we have to find it. Example number 8. Rehana. Rehana and her mother. So relation between these two, a ratio is given, their ratio is 2:7. After 2 years, देखो after 2 जो भी information दिया है after 2 years का ratio दिया है. So to apply that condition we have to convert the ages after 2 years. तो इन्होंने ratio दिया है, इसको separate करना पड़ेगा. Separate करने के बाद you can find out the ages after 2 years and 2 years के बाद जो भी इनके ages आएंगे that ratio is equal to 1:3. So ऐसे step by step example को आपको solve करना है. So first separate ratio करो. Let Rehana is equal to 2x year and mother is equal to 7x. Separate करना है तो फिर common multiple. Therefore after 2 years I can directly apply condition, है ना. आफ्टर 2 years तो क्या होगा, रहना का एज होगा 2x + 2 होगा और मदर का एज होगा 7x + 2 होगा. The ratio means the Rena's age upon mother's age. Ratio of this age after 2 years, the ratio after 2 years, the ratio of their ages will be is equal to 1:3. Will be 1:3 means 1/3. Got it? Rena's age, mother's age. After 2 years their ages ये भी आएंगे. फिर इनका रेशो इज इक्वल टू 1:3. यहाँ पे जैसा कि है वैसे यहाँ पे करना है. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो आई विल डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई या फिर 3 इंटू ब्रैकेट लेते हैं 2x + 2 इज इक्वल टू 7x + 2. 3 2 6x. दोनों नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है ब्रैकेट का बाहर का नंबर से. 3 2 6 3 2 6 इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे 1 नंबर है, 1 मीन्स नो चेंज, 7x + 2. अभी x के पास x और सिंपल नंबर के पास सिंपल नंबर 6, ये +2 यहाँ पे आएगा तो -2 इज इक्वल टू 7x प्लस का -6x. Therefore 4 is equal to 6 or 7 - 6 1x. It means x. Therefore x is equal to x. We have to find Rehana's age. Rehana's present age कितना है, 2x है. Therefore Rehana is equal to 2 into x means 4 is equal to 4 to 8 years. Therefore Rena's present age will be 4 years. Is it clear students? So this is enough for today. 4 point here our 4.1 practice set completes. Now next lecture we will take the next properties of ratios. Clear? Thank you.